Good morning and welcome to a cold and frosty morning here in Yorkshire, Sheffield. Absolutely covered in frost this morning. It took me about half an hour to get in my car. Lock had froze up, frost all over, thick as anything. I've managed to get down to the allotment and it is absolutely frosty all over. Have a look at what it looks like now. As you can see, it's really covered in frost this morning. I won't be doing no digging, that's for sure. All covered over with frost. Today's task, I'd planned on taking all my netting down, but I don't think I've got no chance of doing that today. It'll all be frozen solid, because I need to start repairing my cage and getting all these beds ready, but that's put on the back burner today. So today's task is I'm going to start clearing all down this side because I'm going to be doing quite a bit of work on the front of my shed this year. I want to sort out all this door, get new frontage put on, just make it look a bit more better really. I know it's only an allotment, but you still like it to look its best. So yeah, I'm going to get this side cleared down, ready to make the repairs necessarily on my shed. Come back and see how I get on. This plant here is my lemon balm plant. I planted it from a small little plant I bought from Morrison's. What you use lemon balm for is I tend to put it in my tea, as the vitamins and stuff from the lemon balm is good for you. I just wanted a little herb patch really. I made this raised bed at the side of my shed last year, and this little one here, which I've got a little herb plant in here. This is my thyme. That's doing well. As you can see, it's all stopped growing for the winter, but I'm just going to give it a trim back. Well, I've done as much as I can do today. It's absolutely rock hard down here. Not ideal weather conditions. I should have ideally left my clearing of my shed and polytunnel to today, but you can never guess what the forecast's going to be. I'll show you what I've done. I've given my lemon balm a trim back, cut off a lot of the dead stuff. It smells absolutely gorgeous, but obviously you can't use any at the moment because it's not growing. I've cleared some of this bit out, but like I said, it's rock hard. I just need a couple more herb plants to pop in there if anyone's got any suggestions. I was hoping to clear all this bit out, but it's still rock hard. So yeah, been a pointless trip down today. You can only do what you can do in these weather conditions. I've got quite a bit of jobs what I want to get done this month. My jobs are to cut the raspberry canes back, take my netting off, and get all this shed bit rebuilt and sorted out. So yeah, keep watching my videos and I'll keep sharing my progress with you. Thank you for watching and happy gardening.